First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Hooray! Let's build the first floor. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep it up. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Help the car reach its destination. Move the part to the right place. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Don't stop. Let's build the second floor. We need to wash. Drop side truck. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Lift crane. You're doing really great. First, we have to fill it. Lift crane. Ready. We will make a roof. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! Hooray! Help the car reach its destination. Tap on a suitable tool. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Amazing! Install the doors and windows. Now we need to wash it clean. Drop side truck. Ready. First, we have to fill it. Drop side truck. Hooray! Weatherproof walls. Let's fix the rusting. Let's paint over the discoloration. Done! We did it! Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Pull the lever down to clear the way. Tap on the tool that will help remove the obstacle. Amazing! Paint our house. Let's wash. Bucket lift. Need to assemble. Mini loader. Ready. Filling. Mini loader. Done! Prepare the yard. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discolorations. We did it! You're doing really great. We need to assemble. Drop side truck. Keep up the good work. Overcome the obstacles together with the car. Tap on all the objects to clear the way. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Done! Plant greenery and flowers. The wonderful house with the garage is complete. Way to go! Hooray!